to get ready.
Peter, Tommy, Sheriff, howdy. Here for the big race, huh? It's gonna be fun. Hey, you ever go tractor tipping? It's easy. Just sneak up on them and honk. Ready? Go and turn kitchen. Honk!
Where's Frank?
Whoa, I'm feeling a lot of love, man.
Probably just a bad spark plug, hippie.
Master Gunnery Sergeant.
Radiator spring.
Not only need to be fast,
You need to look fast.
oh yes.
Now, Ramon!
Ramon will get you up, right? Looking good. It's linda. All right. Good luck, man. Shiny.
They have different ways, so you don't go the same way every time.
Okay.
They have different ways, so you don't go the same route every time. We're in a race then.
What's up, there? Let's go!
You won! Looks like Radiator Springs has a new
We just beat them.
Congratulations.